The leadership of Nairobi County remains in limbo as the Speaker of the Senate has ruled out convening a special sitting following an application made by Nairobi Senator Johnson Sakaja requesting the Senate to deliberate on the unprecedented leadership vacuum after Governor Mike Sonko was barred from office by the anti-graft court. Speaker Ken Lusaka said a recall of at least 15 senators is by law and standing orders of the Senate and the prerogative of the majority and minority leaders. Elphas Lagat now reports on the unfolding crisis that is threatening to bring City Hall to a halt.
Senate Speaker Ken Lusaka has ruled out recalling senators for a special sitting to deliberate the way forward for Nairobi County, which is in autopilot mode following the court's decision to bar Mike Sonko from office after he was charged with graft and misappropriation of monies amounting to 357 million shillings.
According to our standing orders, it's very clear that special sitting can be called when we are in session, and that is standing order number 30, and that can only be done by the leader of majority or leader of minority with the support of 15 signatures from the senators, just to be sure that we have a quorum.
Nairobi County is now grappling with an unprecedented challenge that is not clearly envisaged in the Constitution. Governor Sonko, who does not have a deputy, is effectively barred from office, charged with unlawful acquisition of public property, abuse of office, money laundering and other economic crimes. The twist here is that the majority leader in the Senate, Kipchumba Murkomen, is part of Sonko's defense counsel in what has raised mixed reactions and conflict of interest queries.
Article 192, which then talks about suspending the county. Again, then that is the prerogative of His Excellency the President. And when he forms, because it also requires a formation of either a tribunal or a committee to then investigate the issues that are being, have been alleged and then report back to him. Then within, I think that then if that is suspended, then again it needs the approval of the Senate.
Nairobi Senator Johnson Sakaja had written a letter to Senate asking for a special sitting to find a solution to the capital's leadership vacuum, one which has also led the Speaker of Nairobi County, Beatrice Elachi, to seek an advisory from the Office of the Attorney General to guide on the way forward for Nairobi.
I want the AG to do for us is to give us an advisory so that we don't find ourselves in a situation where, because you know when you talk of county treasury, it is both. So where you find a situation where you cannot move as an institution.
Article 183 of the Constitution only allows Speaker Elachi to act as governor if there is vacancy in the office of the governor. But legal experts argue that Sonko's predicament does not create a vacancy in his office.
This is a matter already in court. And I know people will say it does not bar you. It does in a manner where we had not started the matter. If we had started the matter before the courts pick it, then that is different because you will not interfere in a matter where an assembly had initiated and that matter has to proceed.
The Court of Appeal is expected to make a ruling on the 20th of December on whether a governor implicated in graft charges can discharge the functions of the office of governor pending the hearing and determination of their cases. Elphas Lagat, Citizen TV, Nairobi.